So on the bench today we have an Heineken MVP4 with a broken firing button, which seems to be a common occurrence with these things because I've had two of them and both of them broke. So they just, I guess they don't make them like they should. Let's take a look and see what could be the problem here. Now this one I've allowed to run dead so that it doesn't pose a shock hazard. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. There's a problem. And there's the little firing button. If you can see that. Doesn't do anything anymore. So we're going to replace that. Now, what I did is I ordered a kit from online, actually from Amazon. It has several different kinds in here. Let me get this thing to focus. There we go. The one I found to work is this one, which is a 4-pin. It's a 4-pin, 3mm by 4mm by 2.5. I mean, you could probably buy these separately. I just bought this one in a kit so that I could have several different kinds for other projects. So let me get this one unsoldered and we'll take a look at it. Hopefully I can do this without having to completely disassemble the whole mod, but they're not too bad to disassemble. There's a, in case you've never done it, there's these 4 longer screws at the bottom, and there's for the USB and the micro USB, there's a board in here that has 2 screws that screws to this. You take those 2 screws out, and you take these 4 out, and everything just slides out the top. Not too bad. So let me take this other switch out, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, and we're back with the new switch in it, which I had to solder off camera because I had to use a magnifying glass to see that. I mean, it does work though now. So we got it back operational. Now we just got to put it all back together again. Get all our pieces back in. I may have to do this under a magnifying glass as well. See if this even fits. Yeah, it fits. Good deal. So, looks like we're back in business on this one. There we go. And it's fixed. So, if you have one of these and you need to replace that firing button, the problem that I have with it is getting this little bezel off here. I just don't know how to do that without breaking it. So that's the only thing I know that was difficult about the whole deal, was that little bezel. If somebody knows how to take those off and put them back in there, please comment below and let me know. Let all of us know how to do that. There's definitely, I couldn't find anything online anywhere about that part of it either. So, like I said, if you know how to do that, comment down below and let us know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.